This channel with the name Nate Wealth has gained over 2,000 subscribers and 80,000 views in less than 2 weeks with just one video? That's right, one video. And the title of that video was How to Make Passive Income on YouTube. So how is that even possible? Well, thanks for asking. So without further ado, let's dive into the strategy he used. First and foremost, Nate Wealth is his second YouTube channel. His first one is called Nate Dev with over 32,000 subscribers. This shows that he has a good understanding of YouTube and knows how it works. He cleverly used his existing channel to promote his new one, which was a smart move to give his new venture the initial boost it needed to get noticed by the YouTube algorithm. However, that method can only bring in a few hundred or a couple of thousand views. So how did he manage to get a whopping 80,000 views on his video in just under 2 weeks and monetized it so fast? The answer lies in two critical video analytics metrics: the click-through rate and the average view duration. These metrics played a significant role in the success of his video. Click-through rate is determined by the quality of your thumbnail and title. If they are appealing, YouTube will promote your video to more viewers. This kid, Nate Wealth, created an excellent thumbnail that's a great example of how to do it right. Let's take a closer look at his thumbnail strategy. What stands out to you? The kid used a graph that shows an upward trend, which makes you feel good and also tells you about your possible future earnings. This is a clever strategy that makes you want to click on the video. Genius, right? Now, let's move on to the next most important key element of the video: the average view duration. The thumbnail is king, but video content is queen. If a viewer doesn't enjoy your content and leaves, your average view duration will be low, and we don't want that. Now, YouTube's algorithm determines a video's popularity based on how long people watch it. If many viewers watch the entire or most of the video, the algorithm considers it a good video and shows it to more people. However, if people only watch a small part of the video before stopping, the algorithm assumes it's not interesting or engaging and it won't show it to as many people. That's why it's crucial for YouTube creators to make videos that can retain viewers' attention. So, how did this young YouTuber manage to keep his viewers engaged? One thing we can learn from him is the importance of having a great and engaging hook to start off your video. Instead of talking about it, let's watch and experience it ourselves.
My main YouTube channel brings in about $2,000 a video at 30,000 subscribers. I started it when I was only 14 years old, knowing nothing. And now at 16, I've turned it into a business. Here's how you can do the same with just $20 and a laptop. Step 1.
This intro is an absolute game changer when it comes to hooking your audience. Allow me to break it down for you. To grab his audience's attention, he started off by delivering on the promise made in his video title about passive income on YouTube. He immediately shared a success story of earning $2,000 from his main channel at just 30,000 subs, which helped him gain the trust of his viewers. The story he shared was engaging and inspiring. He started from scratch at age 14 and built a business by age 16 with only $20 and a laptop. This left the viewers wondering how he did it and made them curious about replicating his success. By doing so, he strategically directed his audience to the most captivating part of the video, which is how he achieved passive income on YouTube. To make the achievement of earning $2,000 and reaching 30,000 subscribers more impactful, he cleverly employs eye-catching visual effects and attention-grabbing sound effects, which captures the audience's attention even further. Another important point to note is the captivating video script. The language used, examples given, and actions discussed are easy to understand and free of any complicated insider language or jargon that may be difficult for viewers to comprehend. It is clear that he has a good understanding of his target audience and tailored the video to their needs. This makes a lasting impression and encourages viewers to watch more of his content, leading to an increase in returning viewership rates. Moving on, his video editing is top-notch. The clips used in the video can be found on websites such as Pexels and Pixabay. They were not shot by the creator using a high-end camera, but were carefully selected and used strategically to enhance the overall effect of the video. But let's take a closer look at the editing in this video by breaking it down into 3 key parts. Firstly, the creator has a great understanding of how to use on-screen text effectively to highlight important information and keep viewers engaged. The text is presented in a visually appealing way, making it more than just a boring addition to the video. Secondly, the video moves at a rapid pace, with most of the clips lasting no longer than 5 seconds. This is because viewers today are accustomed to fast-paced content on social media and can quickly lose interest if a visual lingers for too long. yet the video remains comfortable to watch and won't overwhelm the viewer. Lastly, the sound effects are used strategically throughout the video to create impact and keep the viewer active. The creator has cut the sound effects to make specific points before returning to the background music, creating an engaging and dynamic viewing experience. Listen closely to the sound effects and background music in this clip to see what I mean.
Just whatever you do, don't make it boring because you want people to actually watch your videos. Step 2. Plan and script your first video. You're gonna do this right now and not overthink it because the longer you wait, the longer you're not making money, which is what you want to get out of this, right? Just open Google Docs and start writing to your heart's content. I mean, you've definitely watched a YouTube video before, so just kind of...
I believe that this video's explosive success was not a coincidence. The creator didn't necessarily invent any new or secret methods, but rather utilized strategies that have already proven successful for other creators. It's clear that this kid is more experienced than one might expect. Additionally, some of the techniques used in his video appear to have been inspired by Mr. Beast. We've got the perfect video for you to check out here, where we analyze Mr. Beast's success strategy, so be sure to check this video out.